Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we are going to do a budget with me, or like this basically the paycheck as well, for week ending the 12th. Lord, already? Jesus. So that would be this coming up weekend. Payday will be the 11th. So let's go ahead and get all our bills down and everything. Those of you who have seen my previous videos, it's a bit of a fiasco here, but it's okay. We are going to try to do this. Like I said, it's a learning process, and we are going to try to do this together. Let's take out all of our tools. I also am gonna try to finish using up this budget kit that I got from Shay's Budgets. Like I said earlier, she is a YouTuber, and she does have an Etsy shop, so you guys should definitely go and check her out. She does really good work. This is what I have. I did actually lay it out for January as well. I didn't use her bill due stickers because I was trying to get this video out and I didn't get it till a little later. That's my singing fund, another video, another fiasco. The only thing about it is I'm not really gonna track my expenses. I want to use this, but I'm not gonna use it for expenses. I'm not really sure if I want to, but I don't know yet. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to finish using it. So basically, let's get started. This, like I said, is gonna be for the weekend in the 12th, payday the 11th. Let's just go ahead and use one of these, just so it can be pretty and kind of coordinate with the rest of everything else that we have. So let's see. Okay, there's that. This is going to be for paycheck week ending 1/12/19. Lord Jesus, already. All right, so I'm going to use the last little washi strip that I have. Like I said, her kit comes with, this is the mini, not meaning that the stickers are mini, it just means that the you don't get as much stuff as you do with the other kit that she has, which I'm not, no, I don't want to do that. With the other one that she has, I think you get like your sinking funds page and stuff like that. So yeah, that's that one. So maybe this one's a little bit better. Kind of. I'm still trying to get these stickers down, but either way, so this is what I'm gonna do. I am going to, this is just gonna be as if it was income. So we're gonna put me and my husband. I'm gonna just put, oh, I was gonna put him, but I'm gonna just put hubby. This is going to be our budget, what we actually get, and whatnot. Okay, so let me go ahead and draw some lines. Yeah, let's do it this way. Is it straight? I hope so. So me, him, total. Okay. Kind of went over yet again. That sucks. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I think it's okay. Hopefully those of you think it's okay too. I don't have any more washes. Let's do this one. It's okay. Okay. So this would be totals. This would be totals. Now, like I said earlier in my other videos, we are both salary. So my salary, what I'm going to budget for this coming week is going to be $542.27. My husband, I'm going to budget $634.17. Okay, that looks like it's about right. The bills that are due from the 11th to the 18th. Okay. So from the 11th to the 18th. These are the bills we have from the 11th to the 18th. See, last week, if you guys saw, it was kind of like this week, technically the week that I'm in for the bills that I'm going to have to pay. I have to go into my savings for like $100. But next week, it is practically nothing. So I did figure out the dish is on the 11th. We have Netflix. And that is on the 14th. We have, I should have probably put, Lord, you see what I'm talking about? I should have put expenses, budget, you know, and all that stuff. Let's see if I could work that. Let me see if I could work this out. Like I said, learning, we are learning, this is maybe whiteout, that's tape. And I think my whiteout doesn't want to work anymore for me. Yeah. Oh gosh, when are we going to get this budget down, Cassandra? When are we going to get this right? Let's see if I can get it to work. Yeah, that didn't work at all. Okay, it's okay. It is okay. We are just going to use our imagination. So this is the expense, this is the budget over here. Actually, okay, so then we have my husband Brian, his phone. Yeah. And then we have our light bill. Now, again, this is another reason why I want to budget. I'm not bad at paying bills, but I kind of got a little, what do you want to call it? I kind of got a little like, oh, I can do my bills. I don't need to write nothing down. So in November, I didn't go off of my bill organizer, which I showed in a previous video that I keep at work in my desk. And somehow I didn't pay the light bill. And because I wasn't behind, of course, those of you who ever get behind, like, you know, some of us do, it kind of just rolled over, and your lights, like, they give you, I'm not really sure how it works, but basically when I actually looked at it in December, it was like $400 and something. And I was like, what? But that's because they said, oh well, October's bill, which was never paid in November, and da 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 da. So I still have another piece of my light bill that I'm going to pay. Again, this will be due on the 17th, and his is due on the 17th as well. And that's it. That's all we have for fixed bills. You see the difference between those bills? And I had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 bills, because the dish I realized was on the 11th, which is why it's on this week. And that was crazy. So what I realized that I'm gonna do, instead of putting out all my cash envelopes and sinking funds, I got smart. I'm just going to, actually I'm going to put a total here. Let me draw a line now. Good enough. This is going to be a little off, but that's okay. That's okay. This is going to be budget. Let's do actual. Plus and minus. Okay. Oh, that one's a little janky. It's okay. And so down here I'm going to put this will be totals. Draw another line. Oh Jesus. I really like this ruler. I actually got it. I got this ruler at Staples sometime, maybe even in 2017 I got it. I'm not even really sure. I want to say I've had it for quite a while now. I absolutely love it. I have a white one as well. I actually bought it for my daughter for school, but she's like, I don't need that. It's so big and bulky, so I'm going to use it. And I love it. It's by Poppin. which is a really nice brand, I guess. It's an expensive brand at Staples. Oh, geez, that stuff is expensive. So my dish bill, I'm gonna budget for $70. I had complete dish was like $156 every month, but I told my husband this year we need to buckle down and try to pay off our debt. So we took the actual dish channel service off, and we're just doing internet. And this is just kind of like what I'm guesstimating, because the internet's only like $40, maybe $50, $55, but we have to send all of our equipment back, and it's like $10 box. So I'm just throwing in another $20 or so for the boxes and stuff too, for us to ship back, because we had the DVR and 2 hopper. Well, I had 1 hopper and 2 what are they called, joeys. So, fun fact, a joey, if you guys didn't know, a joey is the name of a baby kangaroo. That's actually the real name. That's why, you know, the hopper is because of it has the kangaroo. So the little boxes are called joeys. So, hey, you guys learned something new today, if you didn't know it already. Okay, so my husband's phone is $37.54. So we saved quite a bit of money on phone bills. My light bill is I'm gonna say $250. I want to say that's about how much it is. After I pay this bill for the 10th, I'm gonna see how much is left over, but I'm thinking about $250 is gonna be left over. So I'll get those totals in a minute, but our cash envelopes are going to be gas, which is $40. Our food is $120, and our allowance is $20 a piece. And I'm gonna put $15 for nail care. So let's add that up. Let's see what we got here. So we are going to do gas $40 plus $120 for food, plus $40, which is $20 a piece, plus $15 for my nails. So we're looking at we're looking at $215. Okay, I don't know why I did that, but $215 for my cash envelopes. And for my sinking funds, I'm not going to write them out. Those are in other videos. But my sinking funds come out to be $175 a week. That might seem like a lot for you guys, but it really isn't, because I have a lot of sinking funds, but it's kind of like normal stuff. I've explained that. I put a video up yesterday. I'll link it at the end or below so that you get that. That line is kind of janky, but it is what it is. So in total, I will need to take out carrier 1. Let's do some old school math. 10 carrier 1, that's 9. So $390. So let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Carrier 1, that's 10, 15. Carrier 1, that's 11, 12. Carrier 1, 7, 8, that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and carrier 1. So this is how much in bills that we need, or estimating. So this is what I need to take out here. Okay, yeah, that's what I need to take out. So in total, we are looking at let's see, how do I want to write this? So this is cash envelopes. This is cash and sinking funds, plus our bills. This is bills. 6, carrier 1, 3, 7. Okay, so it looks like we are potentially going to have, yeah, can't do this math in my head now. So let me go back, jump up here and put this back in. 255, 42, 27 plus 6, 34, 17. We're looking, I don't know why I had to do that. 44, 6, 7, 1, 1. So we're looking at that, and we are going to minus 700, which is our cash envelope, sinking envelopes, cash, envelope sinking funds and our bills minus $762.51. So this will leave us, maybe to go towards debt. Finally, maybe we can talk about our debt. $413.93. Okay, now this, look, that is the craziest thing. Actually, I'm going to take that and I'm going to subtract the $100 that I had to take out of savings and put that back. You know what I forgot to put? I forgot to put $50 because $50 automatically comes out. So let's do a plus 50 that I gotta remember that automatically comes out. So I gotta either take it out of here or make sure I put it down as a bill or something. So I'm gonna put that in savings as well. So 53 minus 150. Let's just put minus 150 here. 6. Okay, so this is our real total. I don't have a highlighter with me. This is our real total here. That's our real total to go towards debt. Maybe later this week I will go do a video of all my debt that I owe, that we owe. I should say we, me and my husband, that we owe as a family. And this is what we got going into next week. Okay, I'll probably later do a check-in video of last week's, which is here. It's gonna be a little funky. I'll have to show you guys my check-in here that I did go over before. I did another video to show what I did, but we'll do a check-in to see how we are doing, see what got paid, what didn't get paid, which everything should get paid, and all that good stuff. So this is it. This is what we have for this week. I like the setup. The only thing I gotta do now is figure out how I'm gonna put the 19th and the 26th, because I'm like all out of paper. So I think what I'm gonna do is probably do a sinking fund page at the end somewhere, maybe, and put my monthly bill, Lord, what is it? My monthly bill, like my monthly budget. I might put that here. Since we get paid every week, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. When we have 5 weeks, I'm gonna have to figure that out too. This is what we got for our paycheck for this week. So I'm pretty excited. Yeah, I think we did good. No more having to write a lot. I think this is the layout I'm gonna go with. It kind of sucks that I didn't have enough of washing stuff for my kids with the kit that I bought, but that's okay. That's okay. It's all good. We're gonna make it work. You know what I probably need to do too is probably put a cash envelope for stickers. Yeah, if I'm gonna be doing stickers and stuff, because they can get kind of expensive, but we'll see how that goes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Thank you for spending a moment of your life with me. Bye guys.